YouTube. So I did already install these flat mirrors, or I just installed one of them, the right one. But so if you get these mirrors for a GSX8R on TST, any website that has them, or Amazon, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I am one-handed though, because I'm holding my phone. So it's gonna be like clips, but first, I don't know if you can see here really well, but there's these little clips that come off. Hold on, let me. So you're gonna like pry these little clips off that are right here. Preferably a knife or something that can get, okay. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, so I got them off. This is what they look like. They're little clips, and they'll be on top of here. So that's what you take off. All right, so now, let me focus this. 316. All right, you're just gonna take both of these off. All right, so the mirror is off. Put it over here. I did look in the bag, and it also gives you the tool to take them off if you don't have the 313 and T313. So this is what the screw looks like. And now, so there is like I could literally like rip this off right here, but I'm gonna keep it on there because I'm gonna use it for this video. See, it's under there. It's right there. Because they did give you these, but these things are super fat, and the screw isn't long enough unless you use this factory screw that it comes with. See, but I want to use these, so it's personal preference. All right, so now it's literally just gonna go like that. This is also movable, so don't think like it's, hold on, this right here, you can move it. So it looks better. Cool. Let me install this, and then I'll show you what's next. All right, so I got the screw in. It would be best if you do like maybe the bottom one first, but don't tighten it all the way. Literally just get it in there. Don't really tighten it all the way. Tighten it like, I don't know, like 5%. And then do the other one if you're using the short screws. And here they are. Looks way better than them big A. Way better than these. But then you just flip it. Take this off. And then one thing to note, there is a bolt that's in here that like makes it, there's a bolt underneath here before you put this on that is gonna either tighten this or loosen it, this part up. So obviously I made the mistake because I just put this on without tightening in that bolt. So now it's like super like wiggly. So probably fix that before you put it on. But now that I'm thinking about it, this video is gonna be kind of backwards. Somebody's gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna tell them that. So good luck though. Hopefully you figure it out before. But boom. See, this one's super tight. But that's about it. See how it looks crazy right there. Yeah. Boom. So yeah, this is a 2024 GSX8R. I got these off of Amazon. They came with this like screw that I didn't even use. And then the 4 bolts, 2 for each side. And it really took me like maybe 30, 25 minutes, maybe less than that, really. But I think they look pretty good. I think they look pretty good. But yeah. Hey, get off me. These are the big ones. Like, look at this. It's not even good. It's huge. I mean, I guess the only good thing is that it's like, you'll probably be able to see way more with these rather than those, but blah, who cares? But all right, y'all. You were watching Moto Nano. I am getting my bike set up. My new fairings are coming in. I got some new fairings from, I think they're called Monster fairings or Moto fairing. I think it's Monster fairings. But those are be coming in, and then I'm gonna rip this blue mess off. I loved it, but it's broken down there on this right side. It's all broken. And I got to get the little small turn signal lights, and then that would be it. Actually, before I get out of here, let's do a little cold start. It's been sitting, it's been freezing. I got it straight piped. It's ridiculously loud, so I might just turn it on for a second. She's loud. Oh, I also got my baby. It's gonna be motovlogging a lot. But oh my god, I'm nervous. It's so loud. Yeah, that's it, y'all. She definitely needs to be clean. She's rusty as fuck. I cleaned the chain the other day, but I didn't even look at these. Oh my god, they're terrible. Oh my god. Now she definitely needs some loving, but all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.